Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna try to find out which one is better setup between 3 series and parallel or two parallel and series. So so right now I have a uh, 2 series and two parallel setup. I'm gonna change it to a 3 series and two parallel. So right now I have 2 series and two parallel setups. So basically two panel are connected to each other. So this two and then those two and then that one and that one. So now I'm gonna try a series, three series and parallel. So I'm gonna connect that one, this one, and this one together, and then that one at the back, this one right here, and this one. So I'm gonna check the efficiency, which one is better. So before I do and plug everything, I have to turn off the breaker, circuit breaker. So I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, that's off already. And now I'm gonna start unplugging everything and connect them three panels and the other three. So I'm gonna I'm gonna pause it for now. So on this setup I have to use this two Y branch instead of this three. So I already took it out. I'm gonna use this two. So I connect this one, so it's connected to this one, and then this one is connected to this one. So three 100 watts and another three 100 watts in series, and then I'm gonna connect it to a parallel. So I got the two Y branch right on the main line. So I got connected the negative ones and also the positive ones. So now we're gonna try the 600 watts 3 series 2 parallel. Yep, I turn it on. um, okay, the voltage went up to like 64.9 volts. Let's see what's gonna happen. By the way, this is my setup right here. This one is my low voltage module. So this one sets on 12 volts. So when the battery goes down to 12 volts, it sends signal here to this relay, and it will shut down this power inverter. Okay, so now we're pulling 6.9 7.1 amps on a 51 or 50, 49 voltage, and it's giving out 28.5 amperage for the battery. I think this setup is better. It's more cooler on the line for the solar panel line. Only downfall on this one, when one is shaded on those three string, meaning the other two will be affected. That's the only thing. But for safety wise and everything, this is actually better. It's more safety, and uh, it's more safety about fire and everything. Alright guys, thank you for watching.